Whangaroa Harbour, one of the most beautiful places in New Zealand and home to this amazing 1.1 hectare property overlooking Redcliffe Bay. The single-level, 4-bedroom, north-facing home ticks all the boxes. The home is low maintenance, the house site is flat, and the view is simply breathtaking. Harbour-facing rooms open onto the outside entertainment area, complete with shade sail, hot tub, barbecue area, and terrace gardens. On an elevated location and surrounded by bush, this beautiful homestead on 2 allotments catches the sun and is sheltered from the prevailing southwest wind. High ceilings, macrocarpa floors, wood-burning fireplace and picture windows take advantage of the views from the open-plan lounge, dining and kitchen areas. Harbour-facing bedrooms open onto the deck, including the master bedroom with walk-in closet and ensuite. The 2 3/4 acre property with stunning regenerative native bush on the slopes and hillside comes complete with an inside accessible garage and lots of parking for boats and cars. The boat ramp jetty is just at the bottom of the road and close to the Whangaroa Marina and Sports Fishing Club. 31 Old Hospital Road. What a treasure to call your own. To view, contact me. Leonie Matia, One Agency, Far North.